found the way in. Give my hammer and chisel on the crowbar. And
Oh, fucking hell. Wait.
it was welded shut. Oh. Magical mark. Oh, mate. Oh, I'll leave my platform here.
It's a good idea.
Some shelves here. Air shaft with lots of fucking slugs on the underneath.
So Pete.
I actually got pictures from down there.
Oh, you know, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Nice one, isn't it?
That's the air shaft that got pictures now. Let's put the bags on this corner.
Yeah, I can get to it. There's drains in the floor. I see drain there. Still pull door off the bastard, didn't
I
you?
didn't mean to pull it off.
I know the score, I know. Oh, there's fuck.
Yeah. Like obviously the tunnel system. Now I've got a power stuff, no fucking phone, getting there and stop me. What's the chain on the wall for?
Fucking old ramp.
Yeah, well, what's new?
Why some dead fake spiders, brother?
That's the way in. Is that it?
This is it.
Oh well, we've done it.
This ain't no. This is fucking time.
Saying that, though, I suppose you can make them look down here. Look at that moldy spider.
Oh, damn.
Died in my moldy.
Horrible. Moldy spider! Oh, dude, that's nasty shit. Party poppers.
You say we've done it.
So was that a party down there?
Not many people get to see it now.
No, they did fall.
Then wants to know where it is. It's underneath Sheffield. The way in is upstairs.
The way in is, yeah, down there. Yeah. Trust, you're not getting in.
Come through that little hole in the door there.
Yeah, you have to stand for that one.
Well, that right now, but it's better, isn't it? Oh, right, it's been stripped out and everything. There was always some benches or something.
Yeah, or handrails somewhere.
Right, handrail and straight come off. And there was a ladder there. So the air hatches were obviously entrances as well, or escape hatches.
Possibly.
Is there a ladder on the other one? We've got to get resealed. No, yeah, there was a ladder in this one, I know.
Yeah. All night there, fucking hell. It's
These
all...
irons on the fucking wall for me. Is there one down there? No.
No, but there's a couple down there.
Is there any power?
Don't see no light switch. Probably been a fire extinguisher. Cable runs through there. To that.
The lights were still over the town, and I thought I'm way down. I bet it is still light.
Could be. Could be.
Nice to put fresh lid on top. Had some cunt spent fuck out in the crowbar. That's what I've been doing for me. I ain't got them on me.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Saying that, we don't really want to put his name down there because fucking.
Does you, hey, you know you said then, you're on both sides. There'd be no room for no benches, bro.
Yeah, you don't have that much gap.
That's what I mean.
I have plenty of room in emergency, though.
Yeah, true say. Aye, the old air shafts here have been smashed up and shit as well.
I don't know where there's bare grates like that, you know.
What were the holes in?
Yeah, we have square holes in the middle. Now we know what they're for.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Took a little while.
There's another ones with the air vents in,
Yeah.
walking around the place, which just don't make sense. Then there's an old manhole that's welded down and all that needs ripping up. They never grow well. I mean, it needs to have gravity to drive it somehow. And then,
That would definitely ladder because it's got the holes for the runners.
what's this shit? What's this from?
Strike up a lasting relationship.
Oh, that's serious, that's old, that.
Warning, cigarettes can seriously damage your health.
82p per pouch.
Oh, me.
Oh, I can't open it, man. Oh, I really want to get that off there, but it's like fucking cardboard.
It's just breaking off.
Well, this is from the wall.
Yeah, for sure. Oh.
I want to get that so I can read best of ads. Oh, it's too fucked.
No date on it either, is there?
82p per pouch, so I'm back.
So that's old as fuck.
You all might come for a massage, man.
Oh, you miss Miami? We're fucking pretty fucking fit back in the day. Courtesy of Mr. Stark.
Yeah, but I would start by Tony Stark from Avengers. Should phone up little whatever for a massage.
Yeah, man, why not?
The Sheffield numbers and all. Yeah, man. Only our houses are still open. That's crazy. Just hold down here. Yo, some porno. Serious.
Hey man, while they were down here, they must have needed a wank still.
Busted nothing bunker. Fucking that's all I'm falling apart and all. I don't think this porno's as old as fucking thing, you know.
No.
Ugly bitch, man.
It's not.
Why people have lying, so I don't know if they fuck sharp like that. That must have been a cause or something, because that frame was there, so they can have a door or something. I can't believe they've done it like that.
Oh, there's a bare old chain down here as well. Still into a fucking one. Am I trying like this is mad cunt.
I don't know if that is the fucking one that fucking...
That one that's barred up.
Yeah, it is in fact, just look, there's two holes in concrete where they fucking go through.
Yeah, they are. That is it.
But this place is still sick.
Yeah.
I'm real ashamed it's about to get barred, that could be them.
I'm
No, we
thinking
never get away with legal entry.
we are definitely the last people in it.
Might put it in now.
I do.
I wonder why I went on the road then, because I do believe that that is there. You know, not one animal that
Yeah. I don't disbelieve it myself.
check the old fittings out.
Oh, dead up there.
What's that? Plumbing fittings. Fuck me. See that thing.
Just killed that default with them.
What's that one about, man?
Them tins down there. No, I mean that thing you just tried to live there. It's It's that old, it just died.
I don't remember.
They're all just fucking off.
There's some fucking photos.
That's it.
Sick.
Kill the video. See you later, niggas. This is one in a bit. See you on the next one.